Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahartethstrcourses. This class is based on HSTR Trigonometry chapter and this is the part 3 of this chapter and it is the continuation of part 2 lecture. In this class we are going to solve many multiple choice questions which are very important and expected questions for HSTR 2023. You can join my Telegram channel. I will give the link of the Telegram channel in the description. And also, if you like my work, then please do like this video class and share among other teacher recruitment aspirants. As this is a part 3 lecture, we have two previous classes which is part 1 and part 2. The link of those two classes also will be given in the description. Try to watch these classes in order. Okay? In previous class, we have discussed all these topics: basic ratios, identities, standard angles and complementary angles. In this class, we will discuss allied angles and also we will discuss many important and expected multiple choice questions based on these topics. Okay. Let's start the class with the product sum trigonometric identities. Sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Here addition is there. There multiplication was there. No, in answer you had addition. Here you have addition in question. You will have multiplication in answer. Okay. Like that only you have this formula, this and this formula also. And you can also derive them. Like for example, if you want to derive sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. For that what you have to do is, you have to use this formula for a product to addition thing was there. No, sin A cos B, which we have derived just now. No, that formula we will use. Okay. So before that what we do is, you put let A is equal to U plus V by 2 and B is equal to U minus V by 2. Okay. Now you put this in this formula. So what will be your substitution? In place of A you write U plus V by 2. Again for this you write cos of. In place of B you write U minus V by 2. This is equal to, and this is half I will write. This 2 I will write it as half into sin of. What is A plus B? See here, what will your A plus B become? A plus B will become U plus V by 2 plus U minus V by 2. If you want to split, you can split it. U by 2 plus V by 2 plus V by, U by 2 minus V by 2. This is U, right? So this will get cancelled and you will have U by 2 here plus U by 2. So this will give you 2U by 2 or U. So your A plus B will become U. Similarly, your A minus B will become V. Okay. So in place of A plus B you write U and in place of A minus B you write V. So this will be U plus again sin V. Okay. Now sin U plus sin V. This 2 you send here. It will become 2 times sin U plus V by 2 into cos U minus V by 2, which is your question. Hence proved. You have proved it. Okay. So what you have done here? You have taken A is equal to U plus V by 2 and B is equal to U minus V by 2, and with this you got A plus B is equal to U and A minus B is equal to V, and all these things you substituted in sin A cos B is equal to half into sin A plus B plus sin A minus B formula. Okay. I hope it is clear now. So this is how you have derived that formula. See, why I am doing all this means it will become easy for you all to remember the formula. I don't have any other aim behind this. Okay. Now we shall learn about two types of units used to measure the angle. One is radian, the other one is degree. One angle can be measured in terms of degree. Another, that same angle can be known in terms of radian. So you can convert radian into degree or degree into radian. What is the symbol for degree? If you have theta, you will have degree. If you have radian, you will have C. Okay, that is the symbol for to mention that that angle is in radians or that angle is in degrees. Okay, you can convert radian into degree just by multiplying 180 by pi, or you can convert back degree to radian just by multiplying pi by 180. Okay, because we are dealing with a circle when we talk about this pi and 180 degree. I'll tell you, you don't worry, I'll give you more clarity on this. See, your pi is equal to 180 degree. Okay, that means it is a half circle, or one straight line is equal to 180 degree, right? Now using this 180 by pi or pi by 180, you know this conversion. See, if you have 30 degree, you multiply it with pi by 180, you will get pi by 6. So whenever you are told that theta is 30 degree, it is also obvious that theta is pi by 6 in terms of radians. Okay, it is in degrees and it is in radians. So 30 degree can also be written as pi by 6. Like that only 45 degree can also be written as pi by 4. Basically pi is 180, you remember. Okay, next 60 degree can also be written as pi by 3. 90 degree is also written as pi by 2, because 90 into pi by 180. Okay, every time you are multiplying pi by 180 with the degrees angle. 270 is 3 pi by 2. 360 is 2 pi. Obviously pi is 180 means what will 2 pi be? It will be 360, right? You will have more clarity now with this animation. I have this, okay? I have a circle with unit x-axis and y-axis. Now see carefully. You have 0, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, 315. Again it will go back to 360. This is how your angle theta will be moving. This can be in terms of degree, it is 45, or radian, it is pi by 4. Here again full thing if I see, it is 90 or pi by 2. Okay, here if I see only so much, it is from here actually, from here it is 135 degree or 3 pi by 4. I hope you are clear with radians and degree now. Okay, like that only if I see the full circle like this, full circle, it will be till here 360 degree or 0 degree. In terms of radians, it will be 2 pi. Okay, so by chance if they ask you to convert radian into degree or degree into radian, now you know what to do, right? So you have this. Maybe you can take a screenshot and keep of this. Okay, now we have this standard angles in trigonometry. Actually I have also given you the trick on how to remember the values also. Okay, if you have not watched the previous class, please try to watch that class even after this class at least. Okay, you will get the trick to remember these standard angles. Okay, I didn't want to repeat because it is mere waste of time, right? Repeating same things. You can watch that lecture and also learn those things, right? Okay, anyway, so this is the table. Along with this table, you can also extend it. If you learn this table, you can extend it to 360 degree angle also. Okay, now you know about the radians also. I told you about that also. So just for a quick glance, sine 0 will be 0, cos is 1. That's why tan will be 0, because 0 upon 1 is 0. And this will be half. See, one thing you can I can tell you is sine will always range between 0 to 1. Okay, cos will always range between 1 to 0. This is the order. 0 to 1 it will go, 1 to 0 it will go. Okay, so that you can remember, right? Sine and cos. See, it is ranging from 0 to 1. Cos is ranging from 1 to 0. You can say that it is sine is always going in increasing order, right, from 0 to 90 degree. Cos is always going in decreasing order, right, from 0 to 90 degree. So much you can remember, right? Okay, other values also you have to remember. It is up to you to learn these values. Okay, because I want to solve problems in this class, so I will not stick on this table for much time. Okay, for example, they may ask a question like this: the value of cos to the power 4 theta plus sine to the power 4 theta plus 2 cos square theta sine square theta when theta is 45 degree is. Now, just by knowing one value of 45 degrees, see, you should know what is sine 45 and cos 45. If you know just that table, sine 45 degree and cos 45 degree, you can easily solve this problem. So, I am sure you know also that it is 1 by square root of 2. Okay, just to go on substituting, it will be 1 by square root of 2 whole to the power 4 plus 1 by square root of 2 whole to the power 4 plus 2 into 1 by square root whole square into 1 by square root whole square. That's it, right? So this should give you 1 by 4. Then this will give you 1 by 4. Then this will give you 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this will give you 2 by 4 plus 2 by 4. Or this will give you 4 by 4, or your answer will be 1. Option 1 will be the correct answer. That's it. Only because of this, that sine 45 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2, you can easily achieve to their answer. Okay. Another example. If sine of a minus b is half and cos of a plus b is half, where a plus b is lying between 0 and 90 degree and a is greater than b, find a and b. See, I would suggest you not to focus on all this, because ultimately we are talking about triangle, and at maximum we will talk about the circle where we are drawing the triangle. That's why I am telling you, don't worry about these conditions, especially in trigonometry. Okay, don't worry, just to focus on questions. Very few times maybe you will have to worry about that also, but that will be very easy. Okay, so here what I would suggest you to do is, see, directly you have sine a minus b in the left hand side. So with the trigonometric table, you should know that you will have a sine 30 which is equal to half. Okay, again here cos a plus b in the left hand side. When will cos be half? It will be half when it is 60 degree. That's it. Okay, now with this you can say that a plus b is 30 and a minus b is 30 and a plus b is 60. So a minus b will be 30 and a plus b will be 60. With this you can easily find things, right? So this will be 1 and this will be 2. You solve for 1 and 2. If you solve it, you will get 2a. If you add it up, you will get 2a plus 90, right? See, if you add it up, this will get cancelled. In left hand side you have 2a, right hand side you will have 60 plus 30 which is 90. So a will be equal to 45 degree. Okay. Now again go back to 1. You have a minus b is equal to 30, right? And you have a is 45. So you will have 30 like this. So your b will be 15 degree. That's it. Okay. Only with two things, that sine 30 is equal to half and cos 60 is equal to half, you were able to solve this entire problem, right? So only this is the hero of this problem. Okay. Next, I have two more examples. Actually, I have many problems. I am going to solve many problems in this class. So for this thing, what you have to do? You have to use this complementary thing here. See, you can write cosecant 90 minus 35 as cosecant 55, right? So my aim is to make things simple. Even in the numerator and denominator, if same things will be there, I can cancel. I have that hopes. So I will do like that. So I can write this as secant 35. I will not change. In the denominator, in place of cosecant 55, I will write 90 minus 35, which is correct only. Correct. Now this thing will change now. In the numerator, it will be same. In the denominator, I will have secant 35 again. Because of the complementary angles. We have seen, no, 90 minus 35 means cosecant will change to secant. Okay. Now I'll cancel. My answer will be 1. That's it. Okay. So the answer to this question is 1. Like that only I have another problem. This one. Here what they are telling? Cos 7a is equal to sin a minus 6. Where 7a is an acute angle, I have to find the value of a. Very simple. Cos 7a is equal to sin of a minus 6. Okay. Now I can write this cos a as a sin of 90 minus 7a, right? Because sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta, right? See, I will write and show you. Sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta, right? So I can write sin of 90 minus 7a in place of cos 7a, right? That is what I have done here. Now both are signs in the both sides of the equal symbol. So I can write 90 minus 7a is equal to a minus 6, right? I'll solve for it. If I solve for it, what I will get? I'll put things in one side. Okay. So I will have 8a is equal to 96, or a will be equal to 96 upon 8, or a will be equal to 12 degrees. That is the answer. Okay. Few more multiple choice questions I have. Actually, I have list of 15 questions. We can solve them carefully. It will be very easy for you all. So this will make you perfect in this portion of trigonometry. Okay. So the question is, if x is equal to sin a and y is equal to cos a, then value of x square plus y square is. What you have to do, just square and add them up. You will have a square sin square theta plus a square cos square theta. Correct? X square plus y square they are telling, right? Now take a square common. You will have sin square theta plus cos square theta inside the bracket and use the identity. This is equal to 1, right? So your answer will be a square. Option B will be the correct answer. Okay. Next question. I have to find the value of cosecant 70 degree minus secant 20 degree. So what I can write cosecant? I can write cosecant as 1 by sin, right? So I'll write 70 degree like this. And for secant I can write it as 1 by cos, right? I'll write like this. Now I want to make things same so that I can simplify further. So what I can do? I can write sin as 90 minus 20 minus 1 by cos 20. Correct? So what will 1 by sin 90 minus 20 become? It will be sin 70 only, right? But I can write it as 1 by cos 20. Here I have 1 by cos 20 again. So they will get cancelled and my answer will be 0, option A. Okay. Next question. If 3 secant theta minus 5 is equal to 0, then cot theta is. So this thing is also very easy actually. With this I get secant theta is equal to 5 upon 4, right? Now I will do squaring both sides. If I do squaring both sides, I will have secant square theta is equal to 25 by 9. Okay. Now what I will do, I remember one formula which is secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta, and they are telling me to find cot theta. So I have a connection between this and this because I have tan theta here, no? That is a reciprocal for cot theta. So now what I will do is I will subtract 1 because I have identity with the subtracting 1. So I will subtract 1 both sides. So I will have secant square theta minus 1 is equal to 25 by 9 minus 1. Correct? So in the left hand side I will have tan square theta. In the right hand side I will have how much? 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. 16 by 9. So tan theta will be equal to square root of 16 by 9, or tan theta will be equal to 4 upon 3, or if I want cot theta I will have to do reciprocal because cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. If I do reciprocal I will have 3 by 4. This is the answer. Option C will be the correct answer. Okay. Next. If theta is 45 degree, then secant theta, cot theta minus cosecant theta, tan theta is. Now, this becomes easy for me because, see 45 degree. 45 degree is 1 by root 2 for sine also and for cos also. And for tan it is 1, correct? Now secant is a reciprocal of cos, that means it will be root 2, and cot is a reciprocal of tan, that means it will be 1 only, minus cosecant is reciprocal of sine, that means it will be root 2, and tan is reciprocal, not cot only, what is no need only, and tan is 1. Okay, so I will have root 2 minus root 2, that will be 0. That's it. Option A will be the correct answer. So you are perfect with the trigonometric table, means your answer will never go wrong in terms of angles. Okay. Next question. If sine 90 minus theta into cos theta is equal to 1 and theta is acute angle, then theta is, they want us to find the angle theta. So here what you do is sine 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta, right? So this cos theta you write it as it is. This will become 1, or cos square theta will become 1, or cos theta will also become 1, because square root of 1 is 1 only. And when you will have 1 in cos, it will be 1 only when cos 0 is there, because cos 0 is 1. So your theta will become 0. So option D will be the correct answer. See, these are all very simple but little bit tricky problems. So I am touching all variety of problems. Okay. Next, the value of 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta into cosecant square theta. So this is like a plus b into a minus b, right? A plus b, a minus b. So this will be equal to a square minus b square, right? So this whole thing you can write as 1 square minus cos square theta, and you have cosecant square theta again. Correct? Now what you can do is, you can use a sine square plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? See, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta, right? So here you can write it as a sine square theta, and this though is already reciprocal of sine square theta because it is cosecant. So you will have 1 will be the answer, option B. Okay. Next, triangle TRY is a right angled isosceles triangle. See, right angled isosceles triangle means like this. This will be 90 degree and this will be same. This will be theta and this will be theta. Okay. And what is the scenario at that instance? One will be 90 degree. See, if this is TRY, one will be 90 degree. If this is 90 degree, this should be 45 and this should be 45. That is the condition for isosceles triangle, because both are same angles, right? Same angles means it will be 90 by 2, because sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So 45 plus 90 will become 180 degree, correct? Now what you have to do? You have to do cos 45 plus cos 90 plus cos 45, correct? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 90 will be 0, cos 45 will be 1 by root 2, okay? So you have 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, or this will be equal to 2 by root 2, or you can write 2 like this also. Root 2 into root 2 is 2, okay? See, 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, okay? So this will get cancelled. So my answer will be root 2, option A, okay? Next question. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x, then secant theta is. Now by seeing the question, one thing I can understand is that directly though I can't do anything. So what I will do is, this secant theta plus tan theta, I will multiply and divide secant theta minus tan theta like this upon secant theta minus tan theta. I have multiplied and divided the same equation, like something we do in rationalization, no? Something like that I have done. Okay. Now, why I have done this means, there is one formula, no? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. That formula, no? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Actually, the formula is secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. You can write it in any manner, right? You can write it like this also. So, for that formula, I wanted to bring this situation for that formula. That's why I multiplied and divided by secant theta minus tan theta. In the denominator, I will have secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. Now let this given equation be 1. Okay. Now this is x because I have multiplied and divided by secant theta minus tan theta, right? Now this thing, entire thing though will become equal to 1, right? So I will have 1 by secant theta minus tan theta is equal to x, or I can write like this: secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by x, correct? Now let this one be 2. Okay, from 1 and 2 I can cancel tan theta if I add 1 and 2. So I will have 2 secant theta in the left hand side and x plus 1 by x in the right hand side. Or I can write this like this also, right? X square plus 1 by x, correct? I will simplify in the right hand side, and then this secant theta will be equal to x square plus 1 by 2x. So x square plus 1 by 2x is in option B. This is the correct answer. Okay. So what I have done, I have treated the given equation as 1. Then I have multiplied secant theta minus tan theta and divided it also. Multiplied and divided by secant theta minus tan theta, which gave me another equation relating to secant theta minus tan theta. This I kept at equation 2. Then I added equation 1 and 2 and I simplified. I got x square plus 1 by 2x. Okay. So you can treat this as a very important question because this is having little simple calculation at the end, but at the starting you need to know this trick, right? That you have to do this step. Okay, so this is an important question. Actually I thought that this is also very important question. In fact, all the questions which I am discussing here are all important and expected questions, you can say. Okay, next question number 9. If b tan theta is equal to a, then value of a sin theta minus b cos theta by a sin theta plus b cos theta is. So here I can see that b tan theta is there, no? So my b tan theta is equal to a will imply that tan theta is equal to a by b. So in the numerator and denominator, if I see in the question, I can make it as tan theta, right? So what I will do now is I will divide numerator and denominator by cos a because I want tan theta, right? And my another cos a can be cancelled also. So I will write like this: a sin theta by cos theta minus b cos theta by cos theta whole divided by a sin theta by cos theta plus b cos theta by cos theta. So this will get cancelled, right? And this will give me tan, right? This also will give me tan. So this will be equal to a tan theta minus b by a tan theta plus b. Now I'll substitute. What is tan theta? It is a by b, right? Minus b by a into a by b plus b. Then I will have a square by b minus b by a square by b plus b. Correct? I can do further simplification. This will give me a square minus b square by b by a square plus b square by b. This b and b will get cancelled and I will have a square minus b square by a square plus b square. So minus should be there in the numerator. Option D will be the correct answer. Okay. Next question. If sin theta minus cos theta is 0 and theta is lying between 0 and 90 degree, then the value of theta is cos theta 45 degree, 90 degree sin theta. So if you want to focus on this thing, if you are interested, then also you will get the answer because here theta is lying between 0 and 90 degree and it may be 0 degree or it may be 90 degree. Okay, so from this thing you have to decide. So one thing, two options though got cut. Option A and option D got cut. You have only B and C now from this condition. Okay, Now another thing, if you want to focus, what is the given condition? Sin theta minus cos theta, right? Now sin theta minus cos theta, if you want to see, and this is equal to 0. So this is possible in one condition where sin theta and cos theta are having same values. Now if sin theta and cos theta are having same values and theta is between 0 and 90 and 0 or 90, then sin 0 is not equal to cos 0. Sin 90 is not equal to cos 90, because if it is equal only, the answer will be 0, right? If sin theta and cos theta are equal only, the answer will become 0. Okay. Another point here will be that sin 45 is equal to cos 45. This is equal to 1 by root 2. So if this is 1 by root 2 and this is 1 by root 2, your answer will be 0. So the answer will be 45 degree. So theta should be 45 degree. Okay. Next question number 11. Sin theta by square root of 1 minus sin square theta can be written as. Now this to see simple. This is actually very easy question, but it is so scary, right? See, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? With this I have 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, right? So I can write the given equation as sin theta by square root of cos square theta, or sin theta by cos theta. Square will get cancelled with square root, right? So this will be equal to tan theta. It is so simple, right? Option D will be correct answer. But then you should know that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Very, very simple identity, but very, very important identity. Okay. Next question number 12. Square root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta is equal to. This is like you will have to rationalize. Okay. This can also be an example for chapter surds also. Okay. So what you have to do here is take square root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Okay. And then multiply 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Okay. So this one will be square root also. Okay. You are basically rationalizing. So you will have square root of, sorry, not minus, you will have to do plus, right? Here you have in the denominator minus, right? So 1 minus sin theta is there. So you have to multiply and divide by square root of 1 plus sin theta. So in this case, you will have 1 plus sin theta whole square in the numerator. And in the denominator, you will have 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus a into 1 plus b will be 1 square minus. So it is in the form a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Now here in the numerator, this and this will get cancelled, right? So that we will write. And here again like this, it is a cos square, right? So here you will have a cos square theta. So in the numerator you will have 1 plus sin theta, and in the denominator you will have a cos theta, because that square also will get cancelled with square root, right? So you will have 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, or if you split it, you will have 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta can be written as secant theta plus sin theta by cos theta can be written as tan theta. So option D, secant theta plus tan theta is the correct answer. So you can take this one also as an important question. Okay. See, all questions are important basically. Okay. I don't want you all to miss any question from this class. Okay. Next question. If sin square 20 plus sin square 70 upon 2 into cos square 69 plus cos square 21 is equal to secant 60 by k, then k is, you have to find the value of k. So you have to apply all your knowledge here till now, whatever you have learnt. Okay. See, sin square 20, I have sin square 70. So in place of sin square 70, I can write 90 minus 20, correct, upon 2 into cos square 69 plus, I can write 90 minus 69 here again. Okay. Ultimately, my aim is to use this formula and simplify. Okay. Why I am using this complementary thing? Because I can write like this. See, I can write sine square 20 plus, now sine will become cos, right? So cos square 20. Okay. By 2 into, again here I will write the cos square 69 as it is, and my cos 90 minus 69 is there. No, that will become sine square, right? With the complementary thing. So I can write it as a sine square 69, right? So the theta will become common. If I want to apply this formula, I should have a theta, right? Same theta should be there. My theta, if I have a sine square alpha plus cos square beta, this is not equal to 1. This is not the identity. The identity is you should have sine square alpha plus cos square alpha. Your angle should be 1. This is the correct identity. Now the angle was not same, right? To make the angle same and to make this as a cos and make this as sine is easy for me by just subtracting this with 90, correct? 90 minus 69 will give me 21, right? So this is 90 minus 69 and this is 90 minus 20. Now my aim is that this number should be same as this numbers. Okay, so that is what I have done here. Now what I will do, in the numerator I will have 1 because I am applying this identity. In the denominator again I will have 1, correct? So this will be equal to 1 by 2. Now this became my left hand side. What is there in the right hand side? In the right hand side I have secant 60 upon k, and I have to find k only. So k will be equal to secant 60 upon 2. Now if you remember the value of secant 60 directly, then no problem, you write. But if you don't remember the value of secant 60 directly, then what you can do? You can write it as 1 by cos 60, and this will be 1 by 2 as it is will be there. And what is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will become 2. Okay, into, oh, this is not 2 here, right? So this is not 2. The 2 will be in numerator only, right? Because k is going there. So 2 will go in the numerator, right? So this will be 2 here, like this. So 2 into 2. So this will be my 4. Okay. So option D will be the correct answer. Okay. Or in case you know the secant 60 value already, if you know it, then directly what you can do is, it is actually 2. Secant 60 is 2. Okay. So if you know it directly, then you have k is equal to 2 into secant 60. No. Then 2 into 2. Answer is 4. Okay. Now we can solve few HSTR questions. This is a HSTR 2015 question. Now things will become very easy for you. The question is, in the given figure ABCD is a rectangle in which segments AP and AQ are drawn as shown. Find the length of AP plus AQ. So this is a rectangle they are telling, right? So this side will be equal to this side. So this will become 30 centimeter. So in triangle ABP, what will your sine 30 be? Now this is 30, means opposite side is this, right? So opposite is AB and hypotenuse is this, right? AP. AP. Now what is AB? It is 60, or AP is equal to 60 by sine 30. Now what is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2, right? So 60 by 1 by 2 will give you 120 centimeter. So this is your AP. Now you take another triangle ADQ, this one, because we have 30, right? And we don't know what is AQ. This is the hypotenuse, right? And this is the question, AP plus AQ you have to find. So in this triangle also you can take sine 30. So this will give you opposite side, which is AD, upon AQ is the hypotenuse, and AD is how much? 30 centimeter, right? Yes, it is 30 centimeter and this is AQ. Now this is 30 by AQ, right? With this I will have AQ is equal to 30 upon sine 30 and this will be 30 upon half, or this will be 60 centimeter. Now I want to find AP plus AQ, right? So AP is 120 centimeter and AQ is 60 centimeter. So the answer will be 180 centimeter. Okay. So option 4 will be the correct answer. Next, this is also HSTR 2015 question. The question is, if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to square root of 2 cos 90 minus theta, then cot theta is equal to. Now, these things now will become easy for us now. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to square root of 2 cos 90 minus theta. Now, I know that cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, right? So what I can do is, here I will write sin theta. Okay. So what will my equation now become? It will become sin theta plus cos theta is equal to square root of 2 into sin theta. Now because I have to find cot theta, what I will do? I will divide sin theta both sides so that I will get cot theta in this equation. Okay. So if I divide by sin theta, I will have this, right? Sin theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta, and this is equal to square root of 2 sin theta by sin theta. Correct? Now this will get cancelled and this will get cancelled. So I will have 1 plus cot theta is equal to square root of 2, or cot theta is equal to square root of 2 minus 1. Okay. Option 4, square root of 2 minus 1 will be the correct answer. Okay. Okay friends, I hope that this trigonometry class will help you all. See, believe me, you don't need to go and take any other practice from any other book. Only if you attend this class properly and make notes and learn what problems I have solved for this part of trigonometry, this much is more than enough. You don't need any extra worksheet also. Okay. But then you have to be perfect with all problems which I have solved in the previous class and this class. Okay. So I really hope that this class helps you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also join my Telegram channel for future updates, and also I have a paid class also. If you are interested, you can join my HSTR PM course paid class as well. Okay. Thank you. All the best. Bye.